In the previous video, we learned that the Design Studio auto-generates code from designs. It is important to understand this at least at a high level, because it is an essential part of how the Design Studio works. QML means Qt Modeling Language. It is a declarative language for defining graphic user interfaces, GUIs. Declarative means a descriptive way of writing the code. For example, here is a yellow rectangular created with the Design Studio. When you create this rectangular, the Design Studio automatically transforms it into QML code that would look like this. The code here tells the height, width, and color of the component. The power of auto-generated QML is that with it you can start building a functioning UI. You can determine what the buttons do and test it straight away. Also, the software developer can utilize QML for more complex coding, with C++ or Python.